What is going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service, and today I want to do a review on my Echo SRM 225 trimmer. Now, before I go any further, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. We put out a lot of good content here, and sometimes in the winter it can be a little boring with me just standing in front of the camera and talking, but I always try to put out really good business content during the winter, and I try to put out more mowing footage and work videos in the summer. It's entertainment in the summer, business in the winter. Alright, let's get started. This is my Echo SRM 225 trimmer. I have had this weed whip right here since middle summer 2016. This thing has been my workhorse. There's just so much that I can say about the quality of this machine right here. It is light. The Echo SRM 225 is light. They actually consider it a residential weed whip. However, this thing is rock solid. When I first started out, I started with a curved shaft trimmer. And if you guys know anything about curved shaft trimmers, they're not very good. So I went out, I bought a 4-stage, I think it was, oh gosh, I don't remember what brand it was, but the thing was so heavy, and what happened was I ran it out of oil. Yeah, bad news, no fixing that, it was done for. So I went out, I ran out quick and bought this on a whim at Home Depot, thinking, you know, I just got to get something that will at least get me through the year. Well, I bought this sucker. I used it for all of my trimming and all of my edging for 2.5 years. 2.5 years. And this thing is still going strong. Still has good power. Now, obviously, it's not going to be rated for the power that some of your higher end commercial equipment is going to have. I realize that, but this thing is rock solid. This thing has been through the mill, let me tell you. One thing that I want to say about these trimmers, the Echo trimmers and the speed feed heads. The speed feed head wears out. I don't know if you can see that, but this one is starting to wear out. It's held on by, you know, these pieces, and it just wears down after a while. You can just buy a replacement cap with a spring. It's like, I think they raised the price a little bit on them. They're like $19.99 now at Home Depot. I just buy a new cap, throw it on there, good to go. So really, I mean, this machine is rock solid. I can't say that enough. It is light. It is very, very, very light. So whether you are a homeowner or a business owner, this unit right here, the Echo SRM 225, is the right machine for you. These run about $225 at your local Home Depot store. They are great if you take care of them. Run the right amount of oil in your gas and just make sure that you're taking care of it. I have never changed the spark plug. I've never changed any filters or anything on it. Never done anything to it. And this thing is just running as strong as it ever has. Now, I run a special oil, and I haven't done this the whole time that I've owned this, but I do run an oil called Opti 2. And it is rated for any type of equipment of 2-stage or 2-cycle equipment. So no matter if it's 50-to-1 or 20-to-1, Opti 2 is rated to be able to use in all of those. That's why I use it. It also comes with like fuel stabilizer already built into the oil. It's just really, it's a great oil, a great product. I swear by it, and that's just one other element that keeps this machine running really well. So please, if you're in the market for a good, inexpensive trimmer, go with the Echo SRM 225. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure that you hit that like button down below if this video was helpful for you. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bell there by the subscribe button. That just keeps you updated on any new videos that I'm putting out. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.